Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I know this setup looks completely different, but I'm actually throwing a holiday party today. It's my first time hosting. My phone's ringing, so I'll go grab that really quick. But I'm setting up, getting all the food together, and I really want to show you guys what I have here. The appetizers, finger foods, we're gonna order some dishes as well. The holiday spirit is alive and well, and my place looks nice and clean, and I know I haven't really showed you guys around, so I figured I would do that in just a second. But for now, let's talk about my outfit. I'm wearing this shirt from H&M I am obsessed with. I just recently got it, and I just feel like $1,000,000 when I'm wearing this shirt. So love that. Wearing a Versace belt, these new black jeans that I got from Costco for $14.99, you guys. You know I had to get in like every Sorry for the weird angle, you guys. Not sure if I'm cut off or not, but I'm actually by myself right now, so I don't have any other hands to help me film. But I'm starting with the dessert plate, which kind of doesn't make sense. I probably should have started with the cheese. But just got my first dessert platter ready. There's brownies, little chocolate mousse cakes, and pink champagne truffles. And then I have ginger sugar cookies on this tray. Both of these trays were bought at TJ Maxx yesterday. I literally found them. They're like handmade, I think, in Turkey. Amazing, great quality. And of course I have music playing, but I had to turn it off because obviously all the copyright issues with YouTube. But just know we are definitely gonna have music playing. And I kind of want to show you guys the process and also the finished look. So just getting the crackers out now. Now I kind of feel like I wish I got 2 cracker options, but it's fine. I feel like you always think you need more and more food, and then you have too much food. With parties, it's good to have extra food, but with anything else, it's good to not go overboard. I'm gonna light up a candle back here. So my mom is going to help me cut up the cheese because I don't think I'm too good at that. In the meantime, I'm gonna get out the chips, kind of the easier stuff, the popcorn, the salad, things like that. We're gonna start with these chips, and of course, you know I had to get guacamole. Actually, I kind of like the chips over here. Perfect, we got 1 bag of chips open. I really love these Tapa style artichokes, so I think I'm gonna lay that out on a tray. Trying to think. Oh yeah, I have colossal olives stuffed with garlic. You guys, I loved stuffed olives. And these big ones remind me of the ones that they have in Europe because they're always really big and juicy. And then if you don't know what cornichons are, you gotta go try them because they are one of the best pickles, at least in my opinion. So I think I'm gonna put these guys in these little cute things. And so I like to drain the water out. And now that I've drained the water out, I'm just gonna pour them right in. And now I actually bought 2 of these olives because honestly, I can literally finish a whole jar by myself. And so I brought an extra one just in case. The cornichons, I don't think we'll get through. So I didn't buy 2 of those. The things that I knew people would eat more of, I got double. Like the chips, I got 2 bags of that. The popcorn, I only got 1 bag because I don't think people eat as much popcorn as they do chips. At least not at holiday parties. They might eat popcorn at home when they're watching a movie, but you know what I mean. So just emptied out the water for the olives. Let's see if these are gonna come out. Oh no, they're stuck. Okay. We got the olives, the pickles, the dessert plate, the crackers, and the chips out. So I feel a little bit better because for a second I'm like, if anyone shows up right now, they're gonna be like, does this chick even have food at her party? Trying to move really quick. Let's do the popcorn next. Or you know what? I'm gonna hold off on the popcorn. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna put apricots. Sorry, this is what I do when I don't know what to do. So now I'm gonna take out the dips. For salad, I got these Southwest chopped salads from Trader Joe's. I really love them. You can't go wrong because they don't have any meat in them. And I'll just read you what it has. It has green cabbage, romaine, cottage cheese, roasted pepitas, tortilla strips, green onions, cilantro, and spicy Southwest avocado dressing. So it just has that perfect blend of like fresh but crisp and some crunchiness too because of the tortilla strips. So I really love this. I bought 3 bags, but I'm only gonna empty 2 and then I'll see if people are finishing it up. I'll open the 3rd one. So I'm gonna use this beautiful bowl that I just got today from TJ Maxx. I'm actually really, really happy with all the dishware that I got. So the first thing that I do, tell me if you guys do this, when you're shopping for dishware, I see where it's made. If it's made in China, then I just put it down immediately. But as soon as I see it's made somewhere exotic, like Italy or Romania or Turkey or India, I automatically keep it because I love to have pieces in my home from all over the world because I'm a traveler. I love different cultures. It's actually funny because when I first planned the party, I told everyone 5 p.m. But then the closer and closer it got to the party, I started telling people 5:30 p.m. I think a lot of people think that it starts at 5:30, which is completely fine because as you guys can see, I'm not exactly ready yet. So now I want to start putting the toppings on, and they come all wrapped separately, which I love. My boyfriend doesn't like cheese. So when he's here, you know, we can just keep the cheese packet and I'll use it at a different time. So I really like that they separate each ingredient. Obviously not the lettuce, romaine, cabbage one, that's already all mixed in, but the toppings like the cheese, the dressing, the tortilla strips, they're all individually wrapped. So you can choose if you want to put them inside or not. Of course, I always put everything in because I'm not picky. And I like trying things the way they're meant to be. So even at a restaurant, like I rarely ask for like, can I sub this for that? Because I want to taste how the chef intended to make it, you know? Okay, now it's time for the dressing. I really, really love the dressing in this salad. Just gonna rinse this off. Wipe it. Sorry you guys have a very low view. I don't even know if you're able to see me. So, desserts, I want to move here with the wine. Or actually, I don't even know. Let's get the salad mixed up. I'm getting really excited, you guys. I've been waiting for someone to arrive so I can make sense of pouring myself a glass of wine because I'm definitely not going to be the first one to start drinking. That does not happen when you're the host. So for dips, I got roasted garlic hummus. Gonna put these dips out, just breaking the top open so people don't feel shy. Because I know when I'm at a party and something isn't open yet, I don't feel as comfortable to, you know, dive in. So just gonna open everything so people feel comfortable. So let me give you guys a little tour before anyone else arrives. Anyone else? I live here, but until everyone arrives. So this area kind of sucks. I really wanted to move the coffee machine and the air fryer, but there was just no room. Like, they can't fit in any of my drawers. So left them out there. Got these little plates and napkins and silverware from Party City. Thanks to my love, Sunny. She always gives the best hosting advice. Got this from Ross or TJ Maxx, and then that from Target, which I have 2 of those. This is the drink area. Don't worry, we have way more, but they're in the fridge. So this is the non-alcoholic section where there's sparkling cider and some ginger drinks. The glasses. Gonna fill up these bowls when our main dishes arrive from the restaurant. Here is, let me move this out the way. Here is a dessert platter. And here are the wines, and we have like 4 or 5 more in the fridge, including some champagne. Also got these cups from Party City, Target. Over here it's a little bit dark. I wish I had a light there, but oh well. I'm actually gonna turn this diffuser on so it will be colored and lit up. This is a little tree I put together. The ornaments are from Walmart. The tree is from Target. And I set this whole thing up. So I got the garland from Michael's, the little angels from Michael's, and I just picked up this vase today. I'm obsessed, from TJ Maxx. I got 2 of them. And here are some flowers from Trader Joe's. Here we have a bunch of lights. I can't go through everything, but the lights are from Michael's. The reindeer is from Target. The Christmas trees are from Michael's. The garland is also from Michael's. Beautiful card from my friend Sunny. She's so sweet. And so far, this is what we have. So excuse this, I still need to set things up. This is gonna be the charcuterie boards, have dried apricots. There's gonna be a bunch of cheese put on here once my mom comes and helps me. We have Italian strawberries and syrup, and also some fig butter to act as jam. So that'll go next to there. We also have some raspberries I'm gonna wash up and some mint. And then we have the 3 dips I told you guys about: guacamole, artichoke jalapeno, roasted garlic hummus, all from Trader Joe's, including the chips. These are one of my favorite chips. Southwest salad you just saw me toss up, crackers, olives, cornichons. This is gonna have the spring rolls that I need to put in right now. These are actually ginger cookies, so these should go with the other sweets. So that'll go there. And then still need to get this set up, and these toothpicks are for the cheese and turkey. I'll update you guys, and then of course, the 2 vases, that one and that one, are from Ross. The little flowers in them are from Michael's. And then this is the vase I just showed you. I got 2 of them.